Imagine a world where every company, every industry, every machine no longer runs by human hands, but by artificial intelligence. What will really happen when every company on Earth becomes fully automated? What will be the real economic impact? What new sectors will rise? This is the story of the great AI shift, and the world will never be the same again. Automation means speed, accuracy, and zero human error, but it also means millions of jobs vanishing overnight. In the short term, unemployment will rise. Middle-class workers, customer service agents, drivers, designers, most of them will be replaced by intelligent systems. But wait, this isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new era, because every industrial revolution always destroyed old jobs, only to create entirely new worlds. Let's go back in time. When the internet arrived, people feared it would kill newspapers, books, and jobs. And yes, it did. But it also created YouTube, social media, online business, influencers, e-commerce, and $1 trillion digital economy. When smartphones came, it gave birth to app developers, content creators, UX designers, and mobile marketers. When electricity came, it ended candle making, but gave birth to the power industry. Every revolution replaces one set of skills with another, and AI is the biggest revolution yet. In the coming 5 years, we will witness the rise of the AI-driven economy. Factories will run on predictive algorithms. Marketing will be done by self-learning systems. Education will be customized by personal AI mentors. Medicine will be AI prescribed and robotically performed. And humans? We will move from doing work to designing systems that do the work. Here's what's next. Brand new industries will rise from the ashes of the old world. One, AI ethics and regulation to control and define how AI behaves. 2, human AI collaboration industry, helping people integrate AI in their careers. 3, emotion and creativity markets. Since AI can automate logic, emotion becomes the new gold. 4, synthetic media and virtual reality worlds. Entire economies will form in the metaverse. 5, 3D printing and bioengineering, where humans can create everything they need locally. 6, energy management and green AI, because automation needs sustainable power. 7, data ownership economy, where individuals earn money from their data instead of giving it away for free. These will be the new power centers of the next civilization. When AI takes over production, the cost of goods will drop dramatically, because machines don't need salaries or sleep. But wealth distribution will become the biggest question. If machines do all the work, who earns the money? This is where ideas like universal basic income will become necessary. A system where everyone gets a base income, not for work, but simply for existing in an automated economy. So what will humans do? We will focus on creation, exploration, philosophy, art, and innovation. The next billion-dollar startups won't be just tech-based, they will be idea-based. Jobs will transform into missions. People will be paid not for time, but for imagination. By 2030, AI could contribute over $15 trillion to the global GDP. 80% of repetitive work will be fully automated. New economic models like AI as a service will dominate. Countries leading in AI, like the US, China, India, and Japan, will shape the global power map. And humanity will step into the age of cognitive capitalism, where thinking becomes the most valuable asset. So, what will happen when every company becomes automated? We won't face the end of work. We'll face the evolution of work, from muscle to machine, from brain to algorithm, and soon, from algorithm to consciousness. The real question is not whether AI will replace human, but whether humans will evolve fast enough to stay relevant. Because in this race between intelligence and imagination, only one will lead the future. This is not science fiction. This is the economic reality of tomorrow. And it has already begun.